When it comes to equipping your Ram 1500 with the perfect blend of style and protection, choosing the right bull bar is crucial. A well-chosen bull bar not only enhances the vehicle's aesthetic appeal, but also provides essential protection against impacts during off-road adventures or unexpected collisions. In this video, we'll explore some of the best bull bars available for the Ram 1500, highlighting their features, durability, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision that complements your truck's ruggedness and your personal style. At number 5 is the Ironbison Bull Bar for Ram 1500. The Ironbison Bull Bar is a formidable upgrade for 2019 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 owners, tailored specifically to models excluding the Rebel TRX trim, the Ram 1500 Classic, and diesel variations from 2020 to 2022. It is essential for potential buyers to verify compatibility with their specific vehicle model before purchasing. This bull bar impresses with its innovative design, accommodating the vehicle's original front parking sensors without compromise, ensuring the vehicle's double protection remains intact. One of its standout features is the removable mesh, which can easily be replaced with a 20-inch single-row LED light bar, an essential for improving visibility during off-road excursions. Constructed from a heavy-duty all-steel frame, the Ironbison boasts a robust build quality. It is finished in a durable, fine-textured black powder coating that not only provides superior rust resistance, but also adds a stylish, customized look to the vehicle's front end. Though the installation is straightforward and direct, it does require the modification of the plastic air dam to accommodate mounting brackets. All necessary mounting hardware and detailed instructions are included, and the provided license plate relocation bracket is a smart addition that prevents the license plate from being obscured, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Ironbison also stands behind its product with a reassuring 5-year no-hassle warranty covering manufacturing defects and damage during delivery. At number 4 is the Oedro Bull Bar for Ram 1500. The Oedro Bull Bar for the 2019 to 2022 Dodge Ram 1500 is a solid choice for truck owners looking to maximize the functionality and aesthetics of their vehicle's front end. Excluding the Rebel trim and diesel models from 2020 to 2022, this bull bar offers a specific fit designed to integrate seamlessly with the new body style of the Dodge Ram. What stands out about this product is its innovative styling. It features a distinctive square tube structure punctuated with bullet hole designs that give it a modern, aggressive look suitable for the latest pickup trucks. This, combined with a sturdy black powder-coated steel construction, provides not only a visually appealing accessory, but also adds a layer of rust protection, enhancing the longevity of both the bull bar and the vehicle front. Functionality is another key aspect of the Oedro Bull Bar. It is engineered with pre-drilled slots and holes that allow for the easy mounting of 16 to 18-inch LED work lights or light bars, and a license plate, which is essential for truck owners who require additional lighting for night driving or off-road activities. Furthermore, the bull bar is crafted from polished stainless steel, which offers enhanced corrosion resistance and durability. The option to remove the bar allows for customization based on the owner's preference or additional modifications. Installation is straightforward and does not require any additional drilling, as it uses factory holes and includes all the necessary hardware for a bolt-on setup. Be prepared to remove the front air dam shield to ensure a correct fit. At number 3 is the KYX Bull Bar with Light Bar. The KYX Bull Bar with Light Bar is a well-designed, robust accessory for 2019 to 2023 Dodge Ram 1500 owners, excluding the 1500 Classic, Rebel trim, and 2020 to 2023 diesel models. This product not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the vehicle, but also increases its off-road utility, making it a great addition for both daily drivers and adventure enthusiasts. A standout feature of the KYX Bull Bar is the integrated 90W LED light bar. This provides excellent visibility for nighttime driving or when navigating through challenging off-road environments. The powerful lighting helps ensure safer driving by illuminating the road ahead, potentially avoiding hazards that might otherwise be missed in low-light conditions. Constructively, the Bull Bar features a robust 3-inch heavy-duty all-steel frame that suggests reliability and durability. It is finished with a scratch-resistant, corrosion-resistant powder coating that helps it withstand harsh environmental conditions while maintaining its look without fading over time. Installation of this bull bar is user-friendly, boasting a 100% bolt-on design that eliminates the need for any drilling. It comes with pre-drilled holes and all the necessary mounting hardware, along with clear instructions and installation pictures. This makes it feasible for most owners to install the Bull Bar using common garage tools, avoiding the extra cost of professional installation. At number 2 is the TAC Modular Bull Bar Fit 2019 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500. The TAC Modular Bull Bar for the 2019 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 is a robust accessory designed specifically to exclude the Rebel and TRX trim, the Ram 1500 Classic, and the 2020 to 2022 diesel models. This Bull Bar integrates seamlessly with the designated models, ensuring a perfect fit and functional alignment with the truck's aesthetics. Featuring a unique mesh version design, the TAC Predator Bull Bar enhances the front look of the Dodge Ram while improving heat dissipation with its strong flow steering structure. This feature not only contributes to maintaining optimum engine temperatures, but also adds a rugged aesthetic that complements the truck's exterior. The kit includes hardware for an LED light installation, offering added functionality for improved visibility during nighttime driving or off-road adventures. Constructed from a heavy-duty all-steel frame, the Bull Bar is both solid and durable. It consists of 5 main parts, which not only boost the product's structural integrity, but also provide a customizable aspect that DIY enthusiasts will appreciate. Furthermore, the Bull Bar is finished with a dual-stage fine, textured black powder coating, enhancing its rust resistance and providing a sleek, customized look. Installation is user-friendly thanks to the bolt-on design, requiring no drilling and including all necessary mounting hardware along with clear instructions. Despite these positives, potential buyers should note that the Bull Bar may interfere with front bumper-mounted sensors. At number 1 is the Autosaver88 Bull Bar with LED Light Bar. The Autosaver88 Bull Bar with LED Light Bar offers a solid and stylish upgrade for Dodge Ram 1500 trucks model years 2009 to 2018 and the 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500 Classic, excluding the Rebel Sport trim. This accessory is designed to enhance both the looks and functionality of the truck, making it an attractive option for pickup owners. Constructed from a 3-inch heavy-duty tubing frame, the Bull Bar is built to withstand severe conditions while offering great durability and strength. It's also finished with an E-coating and black powder coating, providing excellent rust resistance that helps maintain its glossy appearance over time. One of the key features of this Bull Bar is the integrated 72W 25-inch LED light bar, which significantly improves visibility in dark conditions, extending beyond the reach of standard headlights. This feature is particularly valuable for those who frequently drive at night or off-road. Moreover, the light bar is removable, offering flexibility according to different needs and preferences. Installation is designed to be hassle-free, with a bolt-on setup that requires no drilling, thereby preserving the truck structure. The package includes everything needed for installation: the front bumper, mounting brackets, an 8-foot wiring harness, a modular skid plate, and clear instructions. Autosaver88 also emphasizes customer support, urging buyers to contact them in case of any issues such as missing parts or queries about the installation, enhancing the overall customer experience.